Everyone, it's Holly here. Today I wanted to share with you something a little bit different. We are going on our very first Disney cruise from Brisbane next week. So it is the first time Disney cruises have been in Australia, and we're really excited to be one of the first people to be able to cruise from Australia for a Disney cruise. So one of the things that I had no idea about until we booked our cruise was the Disney Fish Extender Exchange. So it's kind of like I guess like a Secret Santa in a way, but not so secret. So the Fish Extender is like a gift exchange where you sign up to be part of it, and each of the families are put into a group. And in our case, our group had 10 different families or cabins involved in the Fish Extender Exchange, and it's all put into a spreadsheet, and you get sent the spreadsheet with everyone's names, ages, interests, and their cabin number. And so you need to have a gift for each of those cabins or each of the individual people in that cabin, and they do the same for you. So a little bit of fun, and while it's probably not a necessary part of your cruising experience, we thought, well, this is our first Disney cruise. We don't know if we'll get a chance to do this again, so we're going to do all the things. So we did sign up, and we are ready to set sail very soon, and I'm just finalizing our gifts now. So I thought I'd jump on it and share with you the things that we have created and purchased as our Fish Extender gifts. So we've signed up for two. So we've signed up for one that is like the big organized one that happens in the Facebook groups with a bunch of people we don't know. And we've also created one with a friend and some people that she knows that happen to be on the same cruise. So we've got a friend group and the other group. So quite a lot of gifts. Okay, so some of the things that we did. Thankfully, I'm lucky enough that I happen to have a couple of really cool machines to make some personalized gifts. So I have got a cricket machine, and so I did create these personalized can coolers. I think a lot of people call them koozies depending on where you live. So each of the men are getting one of these, a nice simple and affordable gift. I also happen to have a laser cutting machine, laser engraver, and I'm pretty new to this machine, so I haven't learned a lot of how to use it yet. But one of the other things was experimenting with things like this. So these are cork coasters that I have engraved, and each of the adults is also getting one of those. These bottle openers I got online. Actually, my friend got these ones online, so you can get them in bulk on sites such as AliExpress or maybe even Temu. There's quite a few places that do sell similar things. What else have I got here? I also made these little laser engraved key rings, which has the Disney cruise symbol on it. Stuff everywhere here. For each of the kids, I created these adorable little tic-tac-toe games using my Cricut. So these little bags you can purchase anywhere online, really cheap, little canvas bags. And I got these adorable Mickey, Mickey shaped buttons to use as the markers. And so each of the kids is getting one of these little games, which is super cute, and it's a good one for them to play in the car on the way home or on the plane. What else did I make? I have made bookmarks. So these bookmarks have a quote from Beauty and the Beast in it, and they say, "With a dreamy far off look and her nose stuck in a book." So from the song where Mel is wandering through the marketplace. So those are really cute. Key rings, which I have also made using my Cricut. What else? And then a lot of things that we just purchased. Oh, ornaments. Each of the kids are getting an ornament, which I have also laser engraved and has their names on the back. And then as for the purchased items, each of the kids is getting a pair of socks. So these socks I got in bulk packs from AliExpress. Stickers, Marvel stickers, Disney stickers, depending on who they're for and what characters the kids like. These are some cute pens that have like a stamp at one end and then a pen at the other end. So they stamp the shape on the side. So these are Minnie Mouse ones that I got from Target here in Australia. And of course, you need a treat. Every little bag has a treat of some sort. For little girls, I've got these cute little bows that we got online. I've got some more stickers in there. For all of the women and teens, there are these little washi tapes, which are also Disney themed, and they are from the Disney 100 collection, also from Target Australia. Got these Mickey Mouse cookie cutters. There's a few other little bits and pieces, but that's the bulk of it. So making sure there's something a little bit different depending on the age group. So I think the teen girls get lip glosses, and you know, there's socks for all the kids and teens, and I think even for most of the women there's socks as well. So yeah, depending on which group it was. Okay, so here's a closer look at some of our fish extender gifts. So these are the can coolers that I personalized using my Cricut, and these coasters, cork coasters that I personalized using our X-Tool laser machine. Cute little keyring, a little treat. Those are gifts for the men. For the women, we've got a pair of socks, a coaster with a slightly different design, a Mickey Mouse shaped cookie cutter, washi tape, and also a bottle opener as well, and a treat. And then for the kids, they've got a laser engraved ornament and these cute little tic-tac-toe bags that I've made using my Cricut. So I've got these really adorable little buttons that work as markers. So each of the kids have one of these, which are also great for when they're on their way home, if they're flying or driving a long distance, they have something fun to do in the car. Socks, treat, and some stickers. So this one is for a tween boy. For the tween girls, I've also added in lip gloss in there. And for the younger girls, we have these cute little bows. Some of the other personalized gifts that I have made for our friend group are these bookmarks that I made with my Cricut. So they have a line from a song from Beauty and the Beast on them. These cute little key rings. And then these laser engraved key rings as well for the men. To package up our fish extender gifts. So I also made these cute little stick-on labels that I created using my Cricut Joy. So they are on sticker paper. And it did the writing for me, so using the write feature on the Cricut and the cut feature to cut them out in these cute Mickey shapes. So these shapes are actually just made using 3 circles, join them together, and I have labels. Okay. I did not put that on very well. And then I'm just going to use string to tie these on. You could of course use a much cuter ribbon, but I forgot to buy something for this purpose. Little gifts that aren't too big, at least, so we can fit quite a few of them. After all, you do need to take on pretty much an extra bag just for your fish extender gifts when you do participate, because it really adds up quickly. Okay, so that's the first one done. So things that are both kind of fun and then also practical, but a lot of it was handmade or, you know, inexpensive gifts that we can purchase as well. So it's just quite an overwhelming thing when you're faced with having to gift 30 gifts to people or more. So it's a matter of finding things that, you know, you can get them in bulk, or you can make them in bulk if you are crafty. And yeah, it's a lot of fun though, and we can't wait. The kids are so excited to see what they get in their fish extender hanger each day. So we'll be sure to share what we get when we do get home as well. So thank you for watching, and I hope this has given you a few ideas on what you can give your upcoming fish extender participants if you are doing a Disney cruise soon as well. So thanks for watching everyone, and be sure to follow along because there will be lots of Disney cruise videos coming up soon.